How many people do not believe in Jesus Christ? Type that in. I want y'all to see. How many people do not believe in Jesus Christ? That's right. Just let Siri do it. How many people do not believe in Jesus Christ? And when y'all get that, when y'all see that answer, just let me know what it says.
70%.
70%. What about numbers? Does anything say on that?
6 billion.
Over 6 what? Over 6 billion? Over 6. Now, again, I told y'all last week that you cannot get into heaven without going through Jesus Christ.
Amen.
And you see right there, how many people? Over 6 billion.
Wow. Wow.
Over 6 billion.
Out there lost. Not knowing.
Lost and found. 6 billion people that don't believe in Jesus Christ.